kalau teman-teman cong gitu tuh pasti gini say. Oke, lu walaupun telat harus tetap fabulous.
Late and fabulous.
Aduh, cucu deh. Gila say, mau ke Kokorosha naik lift udah $100 say. Means 1,5 juta. Like oh my god.
Just the Gojek.
Just for the Gouw car.
Go car.
Oh my god, we're waiting for the lift and taxi is super long. I already so late. Gara-gara out of sudden headache and jet lag. Just wanna take a small nap malah kebablasan say. So guys, let me introduce my first friend in Kokorosha Cat. It's Natasha. So yes, you know what? The fun fact is she got 3 kids. I can't stop say that.
Okay. And walk.
Look at her. Walk. Oh yes. Natasha. 38 years. Ooh. CEO. Oh no, it's actually CMO. Chief Officer.
Hey.
Yes. Ooh. Oh yes. Oh. Move your body.
Yeah.
Like you're so natural. You're so natural.
What was I doing?
How was it melting? Like how?
Melting.
Sitting in oh.
It's
Oh.
all of that type of
Oh.
melting pot. I have a friend that.
Last minute shopping for tomorrow, girl.
Yes, girl.
We got all in it. Water.
Water. That's what we pay.
Water.
One of my waters have 5% alcohol in it.
Wow.
Still good for
Oops.
you. It's still perfect for you.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Kokorosha Model Camp.
Your job is to make people feel something. That's it. Make people feel something to the point of buying, making people feel something to the point of a client wanting to repeat the job with you, making people want to change your life because of your photos. Whatever it is, that is your job. But I didn't say make people feel beautiful all the time, sexy, gorgeous, fabulous. I think a lot of models come into this industry wanting to look beautiful. They just think that's the job. I want to just promote beauty. And I'm empowered by it when I feel beautiful. That's fine, but it is not your job. Sometimes the job is, I want you to look plain old gross, ugly, disgusting. I want you to shock people. I want you to surprise people. I want people to hate our photos. And there you are going, wait, I thought I was giving you duck face every shoot. No, that's not what they wanted today. So our job is to make people feel pretty much anything, as long as they feel something. Learning angles so much matters. Okay, so for all my Instagram lovely girls that love to do this, that's the worst angle in the world. No model does it. This is the 6 head of 6 heads. Unless that's the thing you're looking for. I know why you do it. You think, I get a better neckline. You're getting a big forehead. So I'm not sure if that's the angle you want to be at. All models will say to their significant other, husbands, boyfriends, wives, whatever, and say back up, go down.
Yes.
This is where you see all cameras. Hey there. Poor James every time he's like, nope. That's it. It's where we are. Even when we stand. That is our long legs. Right? So when you shoot tomorrow, Matt likes to shoot low to give you that length. He's not down there, but he is about here. Your head, where should it be? Down. If you're here or here, that's the angle he gets. Amount of different age groups here, generations. However, usually, again, I'm not putting you all into a like pool by being the younger ones. But what I'm noticing a lot, my younger generations coming into this industry, because they've been immersed in social media, and there's this belief of immediate success and deserving of this sort of respect. Everyone deserves respect, but them not giving it out either, it's not how it works in the real world. So again, anyone that thinks they're going to come into this industry and assume that the world is going to be giving you everything, that you deserve it, that you are better than, but you're not willing to give the work or put in the work, it's not going to work.
Yeah.
Okay? Be mindful of like, what is the shoe story? Like, is it a stripper shoe? Will I stare at you, your clothing choice, your shoe choice, your hair, your makeup choice? Or will I observe you, the blank canvas, and be like, wow, I can't wait to put on our shoes, our clothes on this girl. So if you come all dressed up and thinking this is what they want to see, these are the shoes they want, it's gonna be great, they might just be staring at that the entire time and totally forgetting to look at you. Okay, so it is minimal. It is tank tops, it is pants or shorts or skirts. It is shoes that, yes, you can walk in. Again, this is too thick. Because I feel comfortable in them shoes. Barely any makeup. Hair, clean hair, pulled back. That's the look, all right? Any questions on that?
Oke, udah ganti baju, temanya 80s. Oh my god, super jet lag, but fighting. Today dinner theme is 80s. Temanya like disco gitu deh. Day 2 is done. Posing class, runway, and also expectation versus reality class. It's so much fun today. And then I got a souvenir, you know, from the posing class. I was falling down, you know. Damn. Here, and my feet, and my head. Benjol. Like, hello. But I'm still fabulous. Anyways, it was so much fun. And yeah, senang banget. I'm so happy. And also, it reminds me a lot, like, you know, flashback all the memories when I do modeling, so it feels good, you know, especially all the painfulness as well. Like, jadi ceritanya kenapa bisa jatuh, posing kan bisa posing, terus kayak gitu kayak gini, terus kayak ha, terus kayak begini, langsung jeduk gitu, say, karena kursinya itu tuh, karena kursinya itu enggak balance dan mungkin karena gue cepet-cepet kali ya nge-postnya. So like this, like jeduk, like literally fall down di di lantai, terus langsung dung. Gitu guys.